Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing my newest plant, Syngonium Aurea. The plant was packed in the triangular box provided by USPS. The plant was shipped from North Carolina to Delaware in just 3 days. The plant was wrapped in white paper bag and it was taped carefully on the side of the box. I was told by the seller that there is a special free cutting provided. Let's check out what it is. The free cutting was placed inside a clear Ziploc bag. And I'm actually very intrigued to see what is this cutting. I do not have this Syngonium yet. This is a beautiful Syngonium neon with a bright pink leaf. Let's go back to the original packaging. The plant was wrapped inside a white paper bag and also covered with shredded newspaper. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Syngonium Aurea. So why this plant is very special? First off, Syngonium Aurea has a beautiful variegated yellow and green leaves, and it is also related to its cousin, a white variegated Syngonium albo. Check out this beautiful marble yellow and green leaves. It is quite stunning. If you are wondering where I got my Syngonium Aurea, please check a seller on eBay, DanBlack2015. I hope you enjoyed this plant unboxing video, and please like and subscribe to my channel to see more plant related videos, especially the rare and uncommon tropical plants. See you soon.